Okay, let us proceed with the COC number 4 for backup and restore. Open your dashboard, add rules and features, next, 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 then click features and locate the Windows Server backup. Okay, just check. Then next, click restart the destination. Click yes, then install. So we are adding the backup into our rules, and let us wait until the PC restarts. Okay, click close. Close. Then let us wait until computer restarts. So in our case, let us create a new folder. Example, file to backup. So magbuhat tag folder sa atuang drive C, atuang butangan og tulo ka buok files, pagkahuman mao ang atuang backupan. So again, open ko sa drive C, nagbuhat og folder, sulod sa folder butangan na og tulo ka files, mao ni siya ang atuang backupan. So I have the folder name as file, then naa siya sulod na tulo ka document. Click close. Then open your dashboard. Click tools. Scroll down. Windows backup. Then you wait. Click local backup. Then click backup once. Next, click custom. Next, click add item. Click the plus sign of your drive C. Then check the folder you want to backup. So example file, click OK. Next, next, then destination. Drive D, situate nga na format ang D. Next, and click backup. Kinahanglan na i-drive D o kinahanglan na format ang D para maka-backup na. You wait. So backup in progress. So in this case, sa ato ang maintenance form, isulat nato ang pangalan sa file nato ang ibakapan, the date and time, kunya the byte nato ang i-backupan. So example, 1 KB, 1 MB. So atuwa na siya i-document. So let us just wait. Backup is in progress. Okay, backup completed. Just click close. So naatay example 0 KB. So, siya abot ng 1 KB itong tulo. Okay lang. Okay. Click close. Then close. So, si teacher, iyahang i-erase ang imuhang folder. Pwede na po kamo as example, as practice. So, right-click, then delete. Then open the recycle bin or right-click the recycle bin. Human na ito siyang i-empty recycle bin. So erase yun ang iyahang folder. Open ta sa backup again. So open ta sa dashboard. Tools. Then Windows backup. So, local So this time, recover ta. So again, pag dili maklik ng backup o recover, meaning wala na install ng rules. Install tag rules. Okay, so proceed ta. Next. Next lang, date and time. So automatic mo na siya. Next. And next. So ato lang, pangitaon ang ato ang ibakapan. Plus sign. Example RG, naa sa C. Plus sign. Then katong folder nga ato ang ibakapan. So click the folder. Next. Then original location lang. Then next, then try na to recover. So, file recovery in progress. So let us wait. So recovery completed, status is complete or completed. So close, open na to ang C, try na to balik. Naa na ba yun ang file? Na-recover ba yun? Congratulations! Nibalik siya!
Oh my